Good morning and welcome to the Fortnightly Chat with Jeff and Kylie. Hi, Jeff.
Hello.
Today is Thursday the 27th of November. We've just realised this is our second last one for the year. OMG, it's gone quick.
Very quick.
Okay, so just looking at the last fortnight, we've had a bit of a downtrend, but it's nice to see we've had a few green days on the All Lords. So ideally what we're hoping for is that this will keep going and then we'll receive a higher low and then it might bounce, but who knows? One thing I'm getting asked a lot is what do I do? And the only way I can answer is just manage each stock individually, put your stops in. If you get stopped out, well, that's great. You've got some cash for when the market does turn and you can get back in. So there's my pearls of wisdom for today. Right, so we're going to go through our usual watch list to see how things have performed. What's the first one?
AGL.
Oops.
This has gone backwards from our last podcast. So
okay.
I'd probably leave this until we get another signal.
Yeah, it's nice. It's moving sideways, which is nice. Yeah, so it's kind of cool to keep in, see how it goes. Okay.
All right. Next one is LNW.
LN for Nelly.
Nelly W, which this is broken.
Oh, that has gone. That looks nice. Isn't that weird? That's gone up really high, but OBV and everything's going downwards. That's a real divergence there. That looks good. Okay, there was no real buy entry though.
No.
That's gapped up and just kept going. So if it's got to reach some resistance at this level now, then hopefully we might get an entry if it moves sideways. So we have to watch it and just see what it does.
Yes. All right, we'll leave that one alone for now. The next one is WR1. Again, I think that's just gone sideways. We're still waiting for a break or a signal.
It's moving very slowly. Slowly.
But there's not many out there either. So
what have we got? 243 million. Oh my gosh, hurry up.
So I would like a break of 36 and then I'd be in.
Which I'd love to show you, but the computer's decided to stop. And not where, there we go. Okay, got it. Okay, oh, look at that. It's nice. I like that sideways move. We could almost draw a box around it. Did I click on that? Box. Let's just do that. Makes it look pretty. Stay in that box. Yeah, okay, I like that.
We'll keep that for now.
Yeah, it's great because it is forming resistance at that level which you'd expect because that's where it gapped down to. Yep. So, yeah, behaving normally.
All right, next one, WC8.
Okay. Yeah, this is a bit of a rough ride, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't really know what that one's doing, to be honest. It's not going sideways and it's not doing anything else. So.
I like the look of it on a weekly chart. It makes it look much neater. I think I'll trade that. If I was going to trade that, it'd be on a weekly. So, yes, because it looks quite messy. Again, you could almost, it's a pretty big box. It's finding support at 24.5. So if it stays within 24.5 and 29 would be kind of cool. Wait for a breakout.
Yep. All right. So we'll carry on watching that one.
Yep.
Next one is STM, which has just gone sideways.
Okay, that's okay. It's looking promising. I'm liking everything sort of pointing a little bit up. It seems to be gaining some momentum. You're getting higher lows forming.
Oh,
that's right. There's 6 point there. That's right. This one's got
6 billion.
6 billion out there. Okay, we won't spend too much time on it.
No.
Okay, move on.
All right. Actually, do you want to take that one out?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that one out. And the next one is SHL.
I like that too. Okay, there's a gap here and it's reached the gap and now of course it does the sideways move which we all like to see. So that looks promising. If it can move sideways and break out the top of $23 would be nice because then you've got this big gap up here at $28. Yeah, cool. Okay, keep that one in. Yeah.
MAN.
Always, every time you say that I want to go, oh man. Oh man, it's still not doing anything.
No, it's not. It's going sideways.
Yeah, boring. Yeah.
But for a penny dreadful, it's
It needs a good kick up the bum. It needs a stick of dynamite. This gold
watch
stock.
this space.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, on a long chart it looks all right. What have you got? You just put that on
I've
a
put it on 5 years.
5-year chart. You're
it
like,
looks
oh,
all right
that's
there.
exciting.
All-time lows.
Yeah.
All right.
For ages.
Watch that for a bit. E, M for Mary, H for Harry. Which there's not a lot out on this one. So
Actually, I like that. It's not too bad either. It's just forming higher highs, higher lows all the time. That's a retracement which most stocks we've seen over the past fortnight do.
Yep.
Yeah, that looks really good. That could be a buy here, or if you're more conservative, put a line across here because this is a bit of resistance going on. We stretch it all the way across. You wait for a break of 26 and a half, yeah. Yeah, just to be sure that it's going up.
All right. Watch that a bit. And ATP, Atlas Pearls.
That's a bit meh.
Yeah, it's a bit messy. There's not a lot of happening on that one either.
I think we can do better. I think we've done better. Let's get rid of that one.
Right, that one's gone. So that was it.
Okay. All right, so we were talking about what sort of scan to do, and with the market behaving like it is, where we've seen lots of stocks fall back and have this same action, what we really want to see now, high lows for buying entries. Like, for example, I've had Zip on my watch list for ages, and it's done exactly that. It's retraced fully. Now it's started to turn around. Except for me, it's too early to buy in. I need a buy signal. But what would be nice is to see it pull back and form a higher low and then break that high. So that's what I think we need to be looking for. Agreed?
Perfect.
Okay, so the one easy way of doing it is going into the scans, Guru's toolbox, clicking on high, low, which we did. I won't do it because my computer's taking a while, but we got only 8 results today. But, it'd be interesting to do this scan at the end of the day or over the weekend to see how the week closes. So we'll go through these 8 stocks. So the first one's GT number 1.
Green technology.
So look, there's not many out there. It's easy in the penny stock range. This is a very broad, it's a massive high low that it's found. You could argue that it's done lots of them here. I do like the way it's shaping up. It moved fairly quickly. It's gone from 2.2 cents. When was that? 10th of November. So a couple of weeks to double its money. So again, I always like to see things hit resistance a few more times and forming more higher lows to have a break of 4.3 would look quite good. Interesting stock.
Yeah, it's at all-time lows just about, so the sky's the limit on that. There's not a lot out there. I would keep an eye on it.
Yeah, do we want to add it to the list just to see?
I think we would.
To see.
I'd look at that. No, liking the penny dreadfuls.
Yep, cool. All right, the next one is HCD, which is rubbish. I don't even need you to put it up because that's just looks yuck. So we won't worry about that one. Moving along. PDI is not bad. This is this is 59 cents at the moment, so that's more lovely figure for most people. Okay, I'd love to know what happened here, what the big news was that it shot up. It has retraced and held support at 50 cents, which is nice. Moving back again, same story, like to see it hit support, hit resistance here a few times, form a higher low again. It's the same old story to have a real confirmation that this stock's going to keep going up. There's not enough info yet.
No, there is 2.6 and it is gold, so that sort of fluctuates on news a bit.
Yeah, it has filled that little gap there, which is nice.
Yeah, I think the news must have been all right.
Yeah, I'd say so. They found Eureka. They found gold. Okay, we'll put that in our watch list.
Yep,
Okay,
watch that
all
one.
right, see what happens. PIQ is the next one, and I'm not really sure. This one has, I mean, it's a great turnaround. I'm not convinced it really has. This has been going down really since March 24. It stopped going down in September. I think it's a bit much to ask that it's suddenly miraculously going to start turning around and going back up again after such a long downtrend. So I'm kind of thinking, to be fair, and it's healthcare as well, this needs they're doing research, they're doing something, they need some big news. Otherwise, it might just keep moving sideways while they're trying to get some funding.
I think we need another signal on that somewhere.
Yeah, I think we'll leave that one.
Yep.
RTG, no, I just don't agree. What do you think? RTG, a bit messy.
Yeah,
No.
too many dots.
Too many dots. Too hard. SHV for Victor is the next one, and again, I'm a bit the same. That's just all a bit too hectic. I can't make any rhyme or reason out of that. I think we've found some better stocks. Do you agree?
Yep, we'll leave that one alone.
Leave that one alone. SNT. Oh, we're back down in the gutter. Look, I can't help it. I like some of these stocks, but no, that one's not that great. And again, you could argue it's moved sideways. There's obviously some really bad news. It's moved sideways, had some good news, then it's faded, but it has formed a high low, to be fair. Needs to break there.
Not a lot goes through, so you could get caught.
Oh, yes, look at that. The volume's terrible. So, okay, all right, we'll leave that one alone. And the last one is V for Victor, M for Mary, T for Tom. V Moto. Do you remember this one being an absolute hit a few years ago? This was a bit of a darling stock. If I've got if my memory serves me correctly. No, maybe not. Maybe it's a different one.
It's gone downhill since then.
Yeah. So, no, this one's a bit of a no feeling for me. Yep. Okay. Oh, well, we've added some, taken some off. That's great. We'll see what happens in the next fortnight. Hopefully, in the next fortnight, we'll see the start of what would hopefully be a Santa rally. Yay!
Some people go to sleep over Christmas.
Yeah, well, yeah, January is a bit sleepy. I plan on spending January by a pool. But anyway, we'll chat again in a fortnight. Thanks,
Right.
Jeff.
Bye.
See ya.